So today's house cleaning day. We're doing some house cleaning today. And because of that, I thought this would be a cool product to use, I guess, and show you guys. And it's from a company called Parrior. Parrior. I'm calling them Parrior. I don't know if that's right. Anyways, it's this. It looks like it's a cleaning brush, right? It's techie. Sometimes you're like, you need to clean. 15% earn 15% cash back if you're an affiliate, I guess, or maybe just because. Early bird right now is $110. Originally is $180. Small tools, big difference. You know, charge it up. I gotta find a charger, I guess. Fast charging, 2 hours of continual use from a full charge, which takes about an hour and a half. Or 5-minute charge, give you 15 minutes. That's okay. Good for the tub. Well, that tub's disgusting, right? Our tub's not like that. It works hard, so you don't have to. I like that because we have blinds, and yes, they can be an issue to get to because of the fact that the couch is in front of them, right? Live on Kickstarter. Does it say much else about it? I don't think so. What happens when you click get it? Get it! All right, maybe I'll put some of this video up there so you guys can see it, but 165 backers. All right, look at her go. Huh. Ooh, car wheels. Kitchen, living room, better way to clean. Well, we're gonna try it today, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I'm putting this down over there, and it's a big box. I don't know if the top camera will see it, but you can right there, right? It's full of cat hair. Cat hair. That's why I need the cleaning. Cat hair. You guys can see it there. I'll try to not knock things off the table, right? Electric spin scrubber. All right, and maybe you guys can see information back there. Maybe, possibly. There's some torque, voltage, power, rotation speeds, fast charging, runtime, etc., etc. 2,500 milliamp battery. All right, that seems cool. Seems cool. I'm gonna put it over here right now, just so I can kind of open it, because I have a feeling I'm gonna have to somewhat put this together, because there's no way something that large fits in this box. Yes? Ooh, the brushes are bigger than one would expect. Actually, that's the brush right there, you guys. This is like, it looks white in the picture, but it's definitely more pinky. You guys see that? It's more of a pinky color, which I guess is good. But that's brush number one. We'll put brush number one right there. You get another brush. That brush seems the same as the first brush. I don't know. You get brush number, whoa now, calm down. Brush number 3. That's it right there, brush number 3. That's also a good looking brush. Good looking brush. You get a manual, right? And a quick start guide, which are both large, which is fantastic. You guys can see that. It's easy to read, which I love. Okay. So far I'm down. You get, this is where it comes together, I guess. You get a handle. There's your handle. So it feels like you kind of put it together like you put together like a vacuum cleaner, right? This of course goes, well, that's this the, hold on, I'm putting this down further for a minute. Is this must be where the brush goes. Yes, right? That's where the brush goes, and maybe you can angle this. You push this in. Yep. So you got different angles, right? And then this goes this way, and you can tell there's like an orange push tab right here just to lock it into place. And when you don't want it, of course, you push tab it to come out. My guess is the charge is in here, in the handle, possibly. I'm curious. Right? You guys see that? It only has 2 speeds, is what I'm guessing. 2 speeds. Press this to adjust angle. Yeah, I'm with you. I got that part already. All right, it's coming together. More. You get so many brushes. More brushes. I don't know why so many of the same brush. Maybe they're different. Do they feel like they're different bristles? I don't know. Maybe they're just more brushes, right? I can't even fit them all in here. Let's move these up, you know. So many brushes. And then you get these ones. Check these ones out. Yes. That's interesting. And guess how many of those you get? You get 2, right? You get 2. And then you get this little guy. It's a little brush. Yes. Okay. That's we're up to, what is that? 10? 10 brushes? Then you get this. There's comments I could make. I'm not gonna. This is something. This sticks. Maybe you stick this on the wall, right? Maybe this is a stick on the wall so that you can hang this. Maybe, right? You hang it. Possibly. I don't know. Or something else. Maybe. You get like, these seem like polishers, like buffers. You get one and you get an extra. You know, you just kind of pop that on there. Put that somewhere. I'll put this down here. And you get this, which is just empty. But again, what is that? I have no idea. It's gonna run across. Oh, I see. Maybe you stick this on here, maybe? I don't even know. Right? I don't even know what that one is. But again, you get 2 of them, right? Just these guys with little, it feels like it's like a Velcro thing on the back. But I don't know what this is. It's like a torture device or something. Does it say? I'm curious because, and I'm still not done, just so you know, because last but not least, I'm not going to take it out. It's a power plug, right? Power plug, stick that into the wall. So, quick start guide. Does it tell me what that is? Is that number? It's number 9. Hair sweeper brush. Hair sweeper brush. It can clean the hair in the plush carpet. Oh. It grabs pet long hair, soft paper, and combining the carpet fluff to make it more fluffy and soft. If you have, so not something that I'll use because I don't have any carpet in the house, but I get it. And then these guys here, 12 towel brush, great for polishing after you've given things a scrub. All right. Now, I guess you just, I don't even know how you mount that. I have no idea how you mount that. Maybe you put it on one of these somehow, right? Maybe you stick it on this somehow. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. 14. What is 14? 14 is the hook. Okay. That's the hook. I was right. It's the hook. But you know, right? You know. Anyways, that is everything you get. This is the cool one. If you had carpet, I like that. That's neat. All right, so let's figure out simply to put this together. It's super simple. What one would I use? What one I use? I'm gonna use this one because I'm gonna check out the blinds. You just take it. It only fits on one way, right? Like that. Then to take it off, I'm guessing you just give it a yank. So it's just, it goes on. It has a click, but it's, can you hear the click? Yeah. And then you got this, which you can get up there and do whatever you're doing, right? And just be like, dusting. It does seem like it would be a torture device, but yeah. And you don't have to hold the button. It's just you tap it, and then you tap it for faster, and then you tap it for off. And then this is where your charger goes, right in here. Right? Just like that. Okay, I'm down. That's cool. All right, we're gonna go try it for the next day or so, and we'll let you know what we think. All right, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I have been using this little scrub brush, and it's actually hanging up. I didn't figure I needed to bring it out here for you guys, but it's good. You know what? I think this is a really nice device or product for someone, I think, that is like starting out. Because here's my biggest not issue, but reasoning. I think that a lot of people maybe either would buy it or they wouldn't buy it. Those that I think would buy it, or it could be a good idea if you bought it, is those that don't have all the other stuff, right? You don't have a closet full of cleaning supplies. You don't have a closet full of cleaning tools. For those that have those kind of devices, this ends up being another one that you kind of add to the mix. Now, yes, it could be a device that replaces some of those, for sure. But will it? That I don't know. You know, it seems to have good build quality. We're still using the first charge. It seems to be doing okay in that aspect. Is it powerful enough? I think so. It seems to be, you know, for all your day-to-day scrubbing needs, I guess. A few things that I would like to possibly see. It does have the 2 speeds, which is good. I'd like to see a 3rd speed, a faster speed. That I think would be nice, because really get it in there, especially if you're looking at something that's going to be like buffering or polishing. You kind of want that really spinning, right? Really get it a really good spin on it. And I do think I'd like to see that maybe a little bit faster. Maybe that's just me. And the other thing I'd like to see possibly in a version 2, and maybe my wife she was like, oh, this doesn't have a vacuum in it. And I was like, no, it's just a spinner. There's no suction. I guess there's 2 more things. So there would be cool if they made another version that was this, but had suction in it, so that when you're doing like dusting or whatever you're doing like that it kind of was vacuumy. She thought so. So I figured I'd tell you guys that that's what she thought. I thought, though, because it's like handle, right, with the power stuff on it. This is where the motor kind of everything is, right? The battery. And then there's the actual, I guess, motor that spins the brush. I would like, and I don't think you can, I would like it to be able to take that middle piece right out, if you want, and then just make it short, right? So that this goes right into the handle, so then you have a piece like this long. So it's like a dust buster without the vacuum part. But, you know, for those that are really wanting to get some pressure on it, something smaller can sometimes be a little better. So I like the fact, because I was a little concerned that someone as tall as me, that's 6 feet, you know, I'd have to lean over to use this if I wanted to get something on the ground. I didn't. It's actually a good height. My wife could use it. I could use it. It was fine. But I do think that if you want to really get some pressure on it, that being able to take that middle section out and just kind of shrink it so that the head mounts to the handle, and then you got something, you know, a footish in length. I think that would be good in version 2. I like to tell you what I think of, or what they should do to make it better. Is it a cool product? Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I think if you have a need for it, there's a lot of places that you have that, you know, you just don't like scrubbing. In the video, as you can see here, they show some things that are like, who lets things get that dirty? But maybe you do. Then I get it. This is what you need. And like I said, if you're starting out and you don't have a lot of products, maybe this is a good one, so that you don't have to buy a whole bunch of little knick-knacky things. You can just kind of buy one. For those of us that have all those other products already, it's hard to invest in something like this, I think, unless it really fits a need for you. If that makes any sense. If you think it's cool and you're like, no, I'd be able to use that, then I think it's a quality product, at least over the last few days that I've used it. Anyways, I'll put links down below to where you guys can pick it up. Cool idea. I do have some thoughts for what they could do to make it a bit better. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, my friends, I'm out. Later.